but I heard it's an amazing place, so I really want to go there. Okay, it took us about an hour and a half. We're here pretty much, just trying to park the car. So there are two waterfalls. We have Tibumana and like right next to each other. We're here kinda. We still kinda have to trek for 10 minutes. Let's see how hard it is. This is quite nice. Your view at 7 a.m. OMG. There it is. Ah! And I'm here. Oh my god. So that was the first spot if you want to like take pictures and everything. I'm heading to the second spot. I heard it's great. Speaking of spots though, like everywhere is great for you to take pictures. Second spot is the second waterfall. It's just right next to each other. It's so pretty. Last but not least, here you can have coffee. There's this coffee shop. It's just there. See, you know, you can see the paddy rice field. There's no paddy right now. They harvest it though. But yeah, so when you're tired after you trekked up and down, it's time for you to just chill out, relax, and watch the view, appreciate the view. It's very beautiful. So what you need to prepare when you're going to Tibumana waterfall is first of all your physique, because you're gonna have to trek up and down. There's so many stairs. It's only 10 minutes, so it's not that bad. Second of all, bring your bathing suits and maybe extra dresses and towel because it gets wet there. And the waterfall is so beautiful, it's pretty. There are two spots here and some other extra spots here. There are a few spots here if you want to take more pictures and photos. There's so many greens and just nature. You know, you feel like you're going back to nature. That's like the best feeling ever, right? And oh yeah, come early in the morning, like 7 a.m. in the morning, right when it's just open, so that you can have the whole waterfall for yourself. And then after that, you can close it with having a 5,000 rupiahs coffee. Who doesn't love that? Bali, I love you.